Okay. So last tutorial, what I told you to go through one of the document, okay, one of the diagram which we are going to discuss today. So location services. Have you gone through this diagram? 24th, is it? Okay. So, did you understand it? What is happening? Yeah. Huh? Okay. So try to understand what is happening. This is your UI. UI means where you want to show your location. Means it can be activity. Okay. So this is your UI where you want to show your location. Okay. It can be anything. It can be a Google map also. Ultimately, what you need your location. Okay. Now each UI will have its own activity. Right. So here, what is the name of this? Main activity is the name of that. Okay. And in activity, we have to register one of the listener. And what is it? This is called broadcast receiver. Why we need broadcast receiver? Have we done services? Services we have done, right? So do you remember in service what was happening? I was showing how much time I am spending in my screen. Okay. So the time what was happening? How service was able to connect with your screen? Through broadcast receiver. If you remember, send broadcast is the method name which we are writing. Okay. So similarly here also, location is a service, right? So whenever you will catch the location, where you will catch the location? In listener called on location changed. As soon as you will get the location, what you have to do, you have to send this location as a part of your broadcast receiver. As soon as you will send the broadcast, what will happen? You can catch it in your activity and you can show it in your screen. That's all. It is as simple as that. Okay. So what we are doing, we are creating one of those location receiver. Basically, this is a broadcast receiver. And from on activity on create, what will do? We will start one service where we are having this my GPS service is the service name. Okay. And inside this we will run one thread. Why we need thread? Try to understand why we need thread. Why we need thread? Because if I want, maybe GPS could not be able to catch your location, right? So you must have one thread which will keep on looking, basically. Okay. So we will create one thread. Okay. So which will be keep on doing this request location update. As soon as you will get your location, where you will get in your listener. As soon as you will get the listener, what you do, you will do send broadcast and you can show it in your UI. That's all, as simple as that. This is the design of your location. Okay. So what will be there? You will have UI XML where you want to show your location. You will have activity. In activity, what to do? We will start broadcast receiver. We will create one broadcast receiver. Okay. And what to do from activity? We will start this service. In service, one thread will be there. Inside thread, what will be there? One of those listener will be there. And in listener, whenever you get the location, you send it to your screen. That's all. And here you just do the set text or whatever thing you want to do in your broadcast receiver. Very simple design, right? Okay. So let's start to do this implementation. So how will you start? You have to first design your screen. So this is the way how you will design. Okay. So this is the way how you will design your screen. Okay. And what to do, you will have one edit text or text view, whatever you will have in your screen. Okay. And I'll have one of the button. If I click on the stop service, then it will stop showing me the location. Okay. So stop service will stop the service. Now where will go? We will go to edge location service we are creating. So always whenever you create broadcast receiver service, all must be registered in your manifest.xml. Okay. So this is the service which we are registering here. Okay. Broadcast receiver, we can do the registration dynamically also. So how to register it? Register receiver is the method. Okay. So during broadcast receiver which we have done. Okay. Yeah. Now where will go? We will go here. We will start one service. How to start a service? Intent. What is the method name? Start service is the method name. Okay. And we will start the service. And we will create one broadcast receiver also. What is the broadcast receiver? My main local receiver. As soon as you will get the location where it will come in on receive method. Where is your on receive method? On receive method. Here you will catch your location. So here you will catch, but who will send the location? Your service will send. Service or whatever location service you are running. Okay. So we'll go to location service. we will create location service, extend service, same as your previous service example. Okay, and in on start method, because in service you don't have on resume on pause, right? It is having only on start. Okay, so in on start what to do, we will create one thread which will keep on looking at the location. Okay, and we'll write one of those listener, how to request your location. Request location update is the method to request your location. Okay, and here we'll pass what location provider you want to have, whether you want to have GPS, whether you want to have your network or whatever things you want to have. Okay, so this location provider you can get it from your criteria also. You can define one criteria equal to new criteria, and you can design your criteria that I need accurate location. Then automatically that location provider will be changed based on your criteria. Okay, so we can define this criteria. For timing we are not defining any criteria, we are just hard coding the value as GPS. But what is the problem with GPS? It will consume more battery. Okay, what is the second problem with GPS? If you are in very closed room means, suppose if you are inside some sort of maybe shopping mall may be very inside, right? Then there your GPS might not catch you. Are you able to understand? So GPS is having two problems. One is battery problem, another is if you are inside very closed room. Okay, so GPS might not catch you. I mean the satellites which are there, they might not catch you. That is the only problem. Other things are fine. Okay, so in this case what you should do, you check it. You are having one of those value called accuracy. So if accuracy is not there, what you can go for network. So you can have switch case statement. If I got from GPS location. If I got from network, then network location. If I got from Wi-Fi, then Wi-Fi location. If I got from passive, then passive. So you have to write some sort of switch case or if else condition basically. Okay, so for timing what we are doing, we are just hard coding this. So GPS provider we like. Okay. and as soon as you will use GPS, you have to go to your manifest.xml and you have to register it. So this is the one. So are you able to see here something access find location? So this is the security which you have to register in manifest.xml. But if your mobile is M+, you have to do that dynamically. Means you have to do the runtime registration. Same as your previous thing what we have done. Okay. So as my mobile is M+, right? So it will not work it. So we will check it. We will do the dynamic permission as same as we have already done in your previous classes. Okay. Yeah. Now what to do? As soon as I will get the location where we are over here. Yeah. So we are over here. So we will write this request location update. Okay. And here one new thing is the looper.prepare. So why we need looper? Try to understand what is thread. Thread will keep on running, right? Run method will keep on running. Okay, and here you are having listener also. Are you able to see? you are calling this listener also. So thread is also running. Thread is running. Inside that your listener is also running. So don't you think one infinite loop inside one infinite loop, right? Two infinite loops are there, right? So to break this side of scenario, what we do, we should write this method called looper.prepare and looper.loop. Then what will happen automatically whenever you will get your location, then what will happen? It will handle automatically. Android will handle automatically. Okay. So why we are using? You understood, right? So why we are using? Because you are having listener inside thread. Whenever you will have listener inside thread, what will the thing you will do? You will do looper.prepare and looper.loop. Okay, we will write it, and as soon as you will get the location, where you will get the location, you will get here in your what is the method name, on location change. As soon as you will get the location, what to do, you just send it through your broadcast receiver, same as your service only. If you remember in service I was sending those 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, right? So similarly we will send it from your what is the method name, send broadcast is the method name to send it. Very simple, as simple as that. Okay, only change will be there. What you have to do, you have to do your dynamic permission also. Okay, here it is not mentioned in this particular example because these PPTs are old PPTs. Yeah, so let's do this over there. So you want me to do in this project only, or you want me to create new project? New project you want to know? Okay. Not able to connect. now it will be fast. We will just stop it.
Local connection also provided.
Check it. It's working.
Sorry, internet is also local connection also used.
No problem. Try. Okay, now whenever you request the location, okay, so there are two things which you pass, if you remember yesterday, which you have seen, time and distance. Okay, so you have to send the time in second, you have to send the time in second, and distance in meters. Okay, so what if you want to get location all the time, then 00 means all the time it will keep on getting, keep on location. But what will happen if you keep on getting your location, your battery will be drained out very fast. Okay, so it is best practice to have some sort of distance. When you cover 10 meter, get new distance. 10 meter, you need to pass that distance. Or time, I mean, after how much time you want to get your new location, maybe 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you want to get your new location, then you can pass that over there. Okay, so let's start doing this. Okay, so first what to do, we will have one UI. Okay, UI where I want to show my location. Okay, so we will go to our activity main.
They are very high security.
Okay, so what to do, we will have one wherever, so suppose this is the text view where you want to show your location, then we will have ID for this. Get this indexing done. Okay, it got connected. So let this indexing be done. The indexing is the last step with text lot done. Okay, so suppose I want to show my location, current location here in my text view. So you have to give id, because if I will not give id, I will not be able to refer it in my XML, right? So you must have one id. How to give a new id? At the rate of plus id, and I will give something like location text. Location text. Okay, I want, if you don't have any location, you just want to show there something like no location found yet. Okay, this is the small thing which you want to write. Okay, now you want to have one button also. Okay, right. Why to have button? To stop if you don't want to have location. Tab content id at the rate of id button. Okay, and you want to show the text. What is the text? Stop location. I mean, you don't want to have the
So we
location.
want the
Okay, so you
alignment.
Yeah, so if you want to have it, then you can have here, this is a linear layout and orientation is vertical.
We will write must and should, sir. Orientation vertical.
For linear layout it is mandatory. For linear layout orientation is mandatory.
Related layout
Not required. Not required only. There you will write layout, below layout, above, all those things. First class. Okay. Yeah. Now we are done with this screen. Okay. Now where you go? You will go here, and what you are doing? You are creating one service and starting it. Okay. So let's write it. So you have to write how to start a service. Intent equal to new intent. Okay, main activity dot this. Okay, what is the second one? Location service you want to start, right? So you can have something like my location service dot class. Okay, you create this class and extends service. Okay, service. You just be very careful. There are so many services are there. You have to go for this Android app. Okay. Yeah, automatically some method will be coming. You just use all those methods. It automatically came here. Okay. What are the method will be there inside your service? On start is your method name, which should be called in your service. Okay. Yeah. So now you want to start this service. So what is the method to start it? Tell me. Start service. Start service. You just pass the intent, then the service will be started. The one which you have done in your service class. Now whenever you will do this, you must register in your manifest.xml. Go to your manifest, go over there, you have to register it. So go to manifest and create one service tag, give the name of this. Okay, and by default it will be enabled, but for security purpose you can make it enabled too, not mandatory. So you have to create it, you have created this service, you have to start it, you have started this service also. Yeah. Now what you know, you must create one broadcast receiver. So create this my broadcast receiver. Okay, extends tell me broadcast receiver, because you want to create broadcast receiver, right? Broadcast receiver. You go here. What is the method will be that? Tell me. On receive is the method which should be called automatically. Broadcast receiver on receive method. Okay. Now you have to register this broadcast receiver, right? So let's try to create the object of it. Private my broadcast receiver. Okay, and you have to create the object of it. So how to create the object? Equal to new broadcast receiver. So not new broadcast, my broadcast receiver, because this is the class name which you have done. You want to register it. What is the method name? Register receiver is the method name. Register receiver, are you able to see? Yeah, register receiver is the method name. You pass this broadcast receiver. So what is the broadcast receiver? My broadcast receiver. What is the second one? New intent filter. You have to pass intent filter also. You give some name. Okay, suppose my broadcast receiver is com.tapas. Same name you have to give it in your while sending broadcast also. These are all same concept of your services concept. Okay, this name must be same. Okay, yeah. Now as we are starting the service, automatically it will go here, and what it will start your on start method, and on start method, and so here you want to get your location, right? So you have to create one thread, which we have discussed, right? So let's start to create one thread equal to new thread. Okay, and then inside this you can have new runnable you can have. Automatically this method will be called. Okay, and you have to start a thread dot start is the method name, which will be right here. Okay, now inside thread, what you want to get your location, right? So now before going to location, what you have to create one listener. Okay, so let's start to create one listener class. Okay, my location listener implements location listener. Okay, automatically one method will be there. What is the one? On all those methods will come. So what are those methods? On location change, on status change. This thing we have discussed yesterday. Okay, so now where you will get your location? On location change is the place where you will get the location. Okay, so we have started one thread. Okay, now what you need, you must have one manager, and from where you will request the location, right? So let's try to have one manager. We can create one manager. So how to create a manager? Here you go, private location manager. Okay, now how to create location manager? How to get your location manager? Tell me how to get it. Get system service. Always manager you will get from get system service. Okay, so get system service we are having. Okay, now how to get your location? Context dot location service. Okay, and you just need to cast it. You will be getting your location manager. You got your location manager. Okay, now you need your listener also, right? So you have to create the object of that listener. So how will you create the object of it? Private my location listener equal to new my location listener. You have to do, and you just want to get this location, right? So how to request for location manager dot request for location. Okay, so here many things will be asking. First is your provider. So for timing I am hard coding it as a GPS. Okay, you can have a network also if I am in network. Okay, so location manager dot GPS provider. For time being I am giving minimum distance in 0, maximum distance also 0, so that it will keep on getting the location all the time. Okay, you can change this will be in meter, this will be in your this will be second, this will be in your meter. Okay, now what is the last parameter it is asking for your location listener, so we will pass it over here. Okay, now because this is m plus, what will happen? See, are you able to see some sort of things are coming? So alt enter, you have to just get the permission for this. So what are those permissions they are asking? Let's open it. Add permission check. Okay, this. So now what is happening? Try to understand, because you are working in service. Okay, service will not have this, right? Service will not have this, na? Okay, so now how to get the service? Let's try to find some way. Okay, so are you able to see? You need context, right? So let's try to find context. Do you have? No, you can write get application context. Okay, because get application context is one of the context, right? So you can use this get application context for the purpose of checking. Okay, what this check is all about? This check will just check whether you are already granted the permission or not. Okay, now what you have to do, you and as soon as location will come here, it will come here in your on location change. Okay, always as we are running in thread inside your listener, so what we do, looper dot prepare and looper dot loop here, looper dot loop. Okay, this is the way I have to write, looper dot prepare dot looper dot loop. Okay, yeah. Now As soon as I'll get the location where I'll get, we'll get in on location change. From here you have to send the broadcast receiver, right? So what you do, you have to get the location first. So I believe it would be double. Let me check it first. Double longitude equal to, how will you get the longitude? Location dot get longitude. Similarly, if you want to have the latitude, okay, what to do here, get latitude. Okay, you got the longitude and latitude. Now what you want to do, you want to send it to your screen, right? So how will you send? You have to do the send broadcast. Okay, but before that, what you do, you have to fire the intent. So intent equal to new intent. You have to pass the same name. What is the name we had given? tapas.com.tapas, right? So you have to copy the same name here also. Same name. Okay, then only your broadcast will catch it, right? And how to send the data? You must have put. You have to do put extra. Okay, so intent dot put double extra, or put extra is also fine. Put extra. What you want to send? You want to send longitude. So this is your longitude. Similar to this, what is that? Latitude. You will pass this latitude. Both the data will pass from here. And what is the method name? Send broadcast. Send broadcast is the method, and you pass intent here. Got it, right? And as soon as you will get the location, suddenly you will send it through your broadcast. Now where you will catch? You will catch it in your on receive method here. Okay. Now to show it in your screen, you have to get it something like text view here. One text view, and you have to do this find view ID for this. So how to do find view ID? Tell me. Find view by ID r.id dot location text something. Location text is the name of that particular text, right? So we will do this, and we will cast it also. Okay, now you will get the location here in on receive method, right? So you have done put, here you have to do get it. Okay, so now let's try to get it double longitude equal to, how to do? Intent is the one from intent dot get double extra. Are you able to see? Get double extra is the method. And you have to give the same key. What is the key we have given? Longitude is your key. Okay, default you can show -1. Okay, so if nothing is there, what will show? It should show -1. Similarly, what is the second data? Latitude. So you go to longitude, latitude, you want to show it in your screen. So how do you tell me? Text view dot set text. Okay, and you show something like current location. Okay, current location, and you do append of it. You want to go to the next line, so /n longitude. How to get your longitude? Longitude is the method name. Similarly, you can do what to do? Latitude. What is the one? This is the latitude which will come. That's all. Now what is the only thing remaining? Dynamic permission we have to ask, right? So for that, how to get it? Tell me. We have already done it in your example. Help you go. You get this main activity. Okay, we have done many times, so now also we'll do. So how to do that? Tell me. First you have to write this may request context. Okay, you copy this here, may request context. Okay, then what to do? You have to write this method, whatever method you are having. So alt enter, create this method. Okay, and you go to that method. Where is your method? This is the one. You can copy this particular method. Will change after some time, whatever those new things are. This one will change. Okay, build, we have to get it. First we'll write everything, then we'll change it. Okay, now how to ask the permission, how to check the permission? This is the callback which will come, right? So we'll just change it here. Okay, now access course location. So you have to create one variable, go up and create one variable. So what is the variable name? Access. Okay, so first thing, this is nothing but a read location, is the just to check this read location. Okay, and access course location. So now we are looking for access course location, right? So how to get the permission? Similar to this, you have to write this code. So on the top, whatever the things are, access course location. It is not mandatory. I mean, if you don't want to do this, then what you have to do, you have to write like full complete thing, 100 manifest, something like this. Okay, so where is it? You can directly write here also. It is, both are fine. Both are fine. Not mandatory to write like this. Okay, you can write like this also. But if you will make it on the top, what will happen? You don't need to write 3 times. You just need to write this method only. If you will declare it is a static, import static, if you will do, then no need to write 3-4 times. You just need to write this, automatically it will do basically. Okay, so this is for your course location. You have to do for your, what is the other one, find location also. Okay, so for find location, what you do, similar method you can write. Okay, so what I will, I will give one new method. Okay, contact one, create this method. You can copy the same thing, everything will be same. Everything will be same. What is the only thing you will change? Tell me. What is the only thing you will change? Only thing you will change here, course location. You what to do? You need find location. Okay, just change it. This find location, find location, find location, find location. Now what will happen? Whenever we run this code, automatically, whenever our application will open, it will tell you this application will use your current location. Are you sure you want to give? If you give it okay, then only your location will be caught. Otherwise, it will not be caught basically. Okay. So any other errors we are having? Yeah. So these are all import. You just import, automatically it is done. Okay. Now let's run this code. Okay, but if you want to run it in your what is that, in your older mobile, then you have to put permission in your manifest. Okay, so find location, both the permission you have to put if you want to run in your older mobiles. Okay, yes, let's review once again. Broadcast server, we have created broadcast server, we have registered it. Service also we have started. Okay, this is your filter name. In broadcast server, whenever it will come, we will catch it here. It will do. We will go to service. Where is service? Service is here. We are doing on start. What we are doing? We are having this location register. Thread is done. Okay, we are doing we have request location. We have passed the who is the provider. 00 means all the time it will give. We have done the listener. Automatically when location will come, it will come here. It will catch it and it will send broadcast. And when you send it, here we will receive broadcast. That's all. Simple. Same. The architecture is exactly same. The one which we have discussed. Now that's why I told you to study this. This one. Same. Exact same thing which you have done. Whatever things I mentioned about it. Yeah. So it is launching more activity. Launching more activity. So we will do allow. Okay. Where is our app? What is the app name? Location example, right? Okay, we will see what is the problem. Okay, what it is telling, check it. Sorry. GPS location, find location permission. My 51. Why it is telling us like this? We have put in our permission, right? Okay, where is find location? This one also, right? It should work. Okay, let's do once more.
VROAD, yes. Network. VROAD.
Okay, broad.
Yeah. Spelling.
That's fine. That's fine. Here also same. No? Okay, we'll check it. If GPS is not working, we'll make it network. What? Private? Is it the same or we are missing anything? Looker prepare, we have done this service 0 GPS looker. Allow. Okay. Yeah, see, are you able to see? This is your current location. Longitude is this one, latitude is this one. Because it took some time to catch it actually, you know? So because GPS. If you want to change it to network, then what you have to do? Here only small change, instead of GPS, what to do? Network. That's all. Then you will get the location. So now, if you want to get both of those, then you can have if-else condition, which is good. Okay, so if GPS is accurate, then use GPS. If network is good, then use network. Okay, so let's try to get it. Okay, so this is not from GPS, this is from network. Okay, now this is your longitude latitude. If you want to convert it into your street address, how will you do? Geocoder. What is the one? Geocoder. Okay, so if you go here, what is the method to convert? Geocoder. We have discussed yesterday, right? So geocoder is the way to change from street to your location. Okay, so now if you want to change to street address, how will you change it? How will you change it? Here you can go. Okay, how will you change it? You go to your this one, you want to change here. So geocoder equal to new geocoder. Okay, what are the two things asking? Context. So what is my context? Main activity dot this is my context, and you want to get your current location, right? Street address. So what is that? Dot, if you do get, what is the method name? Tell me. Get from location. You have to pass latitude, longitude, and maximum results. Okay, so suppose latitude. What is latitude first? So you just pass latitude. Okay, then longitude, and how many results you need. Okay, suppose if you need 2 results, then you just pass 2. Okay, and automatically what is the return type of it? Let's try to see. It will tell you to try catch. Okay, and what is the return type of this get this one? Okay, so it will give me the list of addresses. Okay, so list of addresses will come. Okay, so if you see, list of addresses are coming here. So if you want to make it generic, then you can make it address. So now all the addresses will come. If you want to get how to iterate through the list, for loop you can iterate. Okay, so this is your list. So left side will be your list, then column, then it is a address, right? So what should be the data type? Address is the one which will come here like this. This is the advanced for loop, right? The one how we iterate through the list. Okay, now you want to show your current location in your street address. Okay, so what to do here? Only what you can show, you can show something like address dot get locality. Okay, you can mention here locality. So locality should come here, some sort of Munekolala or something will come. Okay. Similar to this, you can have other stuffs also. Something like go over there, get locality, do get postal code. What is the postal code? Just pass it. If you want to have any other thing, what is the subadmin area? So whatever data will come now, it will automatically come here. Na? So you can just show it over there. Subadmin area, all those things will come. Okay, let's run this. Now what will happen, along with our longitude latitude, what should come? It will also show us those addresses. Munekolala, Bangalore, all those things will come. So that's why I told. What is geocoder? Geocoder is nothing but one of those class which will convert street address to longitude latitude or longitude latitude to street address and vice versa. So are you able to let's see here? See, are you able to see what is coming? Longitude latitude, locality what is? Bangalore, and locality Bangalore, sub-admin area Bangalore urban. It will give you that year also, Marathali also. Okay, so let me get some way to get it. Okay, so get it will do. Okay, so what all these things are there? Get address line. Okay, maybe 0. Okay, maybe 1. Okay, address line will give you that address wherever it is. Okay, if it is not there, it should give me null, no problem. Okay, then country name, sublocality which I have already given, right? You can try all those, whatever those things are there, maximum address index. Okay, so country code, maybe country code. Okay, then I mean you can try all those, whichever will give you, you can work with that. Maybe feature names. Okay, so many names will come. Get feature name. Okay, country code, address line. Sorry, address line. We'll see. I mean, whichever will be coming, we will use it. Okay, so no location found yet. Okay, now maybe it is not able to catch from our network. Okay, so we will wait for some time, or else we will start this once again. Yeah, see what is coming? Address line 120, second cross road, Balandur, Marathali. So this is your current address basically. Okay, so of your mobile. Similarly, second one is giving you Kasabeshanhalli, Bangalore, Karnataka. What is the pin code? 560037. Kasabeshanhalli village. Okay, so these are this way you will get all those locations. So but for this you must have internet. Otherwise you cannot convert your longitude latitude to street address. Now what is the assignment? Assignment is very simple. Okay. Now as you are getting longitude latitude, right? We have already studied intent to fire the Google map. So as soon as you will get the longitude latitude, below one button will be there, show in Google map. When you click on the show in Google map, it should open the Google map and it should show your current location. I mean the EK technology. If I am in EK technology, it should show in EK technology. Got the requirement, right? Intent we have done to show the Google map. So when you click on the button, as you are able to detect your longitude latitude, when you click on the button, automatically show on Google map with your current location marked over there. Okay, so try to do that. I mean, this sort of assignment you will get in sometimes in your VLC system test also. Okay.